What is it we are looking for? What is it we are missing deep down inside ourselves? We are human, living from the earth and all the things it has been giving to us, from water and land, from fire and air. Nature is providing everything to make us survive. And we learn to use those gifts to honor them with respect. Creativity is a path to explore the world of food, the new creation of flavor and taste, but also to a better world of health and trust, of life and sustainability. So, what is it you are looking for? What is it you are missing deep down inside? Explore and find out.